So today we're going to make crab and cream cheese stuffed crepes. I've already got the crepes made. You can use store-bought ones, but you should use your own. And really, all we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of milk in a warm saute pan. Add some cream cheese to that. And we want to work this cream cheese in, getting it to melt. Once all the cream cheese is melted, we're going to add a little bit of blackening spice. Doesn't take a whole lot. A squeeze of lemon juice. And a little bit of fresh thyme. Work all that in. Make sure all the lumps are out of it. And then we're going to add some lump crab to it. When that mixture gets warm, we're going to turn it off, we set up our plate. I've got some sauteed asparagus here, just some nice asparagus tips. Take a couple of our crepes, which are at room temperature. Take some of our mixture right in the center. Give our crepes a roll. And then to finish this, we take a little bit of hollandaise sauce and drizzle that over the top of it. Garnish with a little sprig of thyme. And we've made crab and cream cheese stuffed crepes.